Recently, I've had a lot of people ask me why I'm not making videos anymore using SellerAmp, and they're wondering if I still use that software to help me to find products to sell on Amazon. And if you're familiar with my channel, then you know in the past, I used to use SellerAmp a ton to help me to find leads. But the reason why I'm not making videos anymore with the software is because I no longer use it. But that's not because I didn't like it. Instead, I'm using a different software that has a lot of the same capabilities as SellerAmp, but in my opinion, is much better. It's easier to use, it has a cleaner layout, and I'm having much better results with it. Plus, there's some more capabilities with this software that I didn't have with SellerAmp. And this is the software and Chrome extension that I use to find all of my arbitrage leads. Plus, I also use it for wholesale to help me to find new brands. So sit back, relax, and let me take you through exactly how I do this and just how easy it is. And I'll compare the new software to SellerAmp so you can see how they do function pretty much the same, but how ProfitGuru has even more. But if you're new here, I'm Cassandra, and on this channel, I am here every single week, especially talking about Amazon, how you can start it, how you can learn how to sell, how you can scale that business, and we also cover other topics about making money online. So if those are also your interests, then you're in the right place. Be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button because it really helps out our metrics. We make these videos completely for free for you guys because we enjoy doing it and we enjoy helping others. So if you could take 1 second, return the favor, and hit that subscribe button, we would really appreciate it. All right, let me show you how to find those arbitrage leads and those brands to start working with. Whenever I come to an Amazon listing and I start doing my research to see if it's something that, number one, I can sell, number two, does it sell well, number three, how much profit can I make, I'm always using the Chrome extension. So when I only had SellerAmp, this is what the Chrome extension would look like when it would pop up. And this was something that the team at ProfitGuru was using a lot and that we really liked. So what we did is we used this as our inspiration to also have a Chrome extension, but that can do even more. And the only reason why I still have SellerAmp on my computer is because it's a free account that I don't pay for. But I really don't use it anymore, and when I'm doing sourcing, I get it right out of there, so I don't even have to look at it. I just have my ProfitGuru Chrome extension right there. So with SellerAmp, we can see eligibility, alerts, BSR, the estimated sales, the cost, the sales calculator. We can see the ranks and pricing, alerts, charts, and then we also have our sellers down here. Over here on ProfitGuru, I can see the weight, ASIN, UPC number, if there's variations, eligibility, BSR, estimated monthly sales. So I still have all of these things that I was using and data that we do need as resellers looking for arbitrage products. We still have our Keepa right here, our sales calculator, and we can even put in the desired ROI that we want to receive. So if I wanted to get 100% ROI selling this product, I can see what the cost price I'm going to pay has to be. And then right here is where it gets really helpful if you are wanting to open up wholesale accounts, because now we can look at the specific brands. We can see what the brand name is. I can click on that and go into more details into ProfitGuru. I can click here and see all of the products that that brand is carrying on Amazon, how many sellers are typically on the listings, and down here, the sellers on this listing. So that's one reason why we made our own extension, because we did not have this brand capability with SellerAmp. And it's super powerful for helping you to find new brands to open up. And we also incorporated Storefront stalking into our extension. That is a super powerful tool to basically rabbit trail, to use any product as a lead and then try to find other products from it. So what I like to do is find a brand that I have easy access to, and then on a listing from that brand, I'll start looking at the sellers. All I have to do is click this little eye here, and I'm going to open up so many potential leads. So we'll go to their store first, and bam. Now this seller, I can see all of the products they're selling, and hopefully I can get my hands on them and just start piggybacking off of what they're doing. And the way that this is laid out, it makes it very fast to source through the list. I can see the Keepa over here. I can see how many sellers are on it, what the break even would be for me to have to purchase it for to break even on the listing. If I wanted to get 25% ROI, I would have to source it for this price. I can see the BSR right there. Everything very fast at a quick glance. Now, when I go to SellerAmp's homepage, I can pop in some ASINs there and bring up a specific product, but that's basically it for how this software functions and what it can do for you. But the ProfitGuru can do so much more. And it's really friendly with all of the selling models. So if you're doing private label, you can come here to the products tabs to try and find some ideas for different products to start your own brand with. If you're looking for different brands to open up wholesale accounts with, we have a brands tab here to help you to identify those brands that have a lot of products and are selling well on Amazon. Of course, the essentials, FBA calculators, the sales estimators. We also have, if you're into bundling, the bundle ideas tab. You can pop in a product and then the data will show you which other products it's pointing at and would make good for bundling with. So for me personally, I do a lot of arbitrage and a lot of wholesale. So where I spend my time is really here, looking at different sellers, finding those sellers that are also doing arbitrage and using them for my leads to piggyback off of. And here, Storefront stocking all of those sellers' items that they're selling, again, as my leads to just do what they're doing. So if I can find a seller that's selling similar brands that I know I can get my hands on, then they're already showing me which listings are profitable and I can just jump on them. And that's what arbitrage is. It is sharing listings on Amazon, finding the ones that are profitable and finding products that you can source for low enough to be able to make a profit on. That's the name of the game with arbitrage and how it works. For the brands tab, I spend a lot of my time here really filtering in here advanced filters and honing in on those brands that have a large volume of items that are selling well and a lower volume of sellers. Plus, you also don't want to see the brands themselves selling the products. So I might say I want them to have at least 200 products. Number of sellers, I might put this at 3, making sure it's not private label, and going up to maybe 12 so that there's not too much competition. Estimated monthly sales, we want to see that they're selling. And the brand is a seller. We do not want that brand selling the items themselves. Number 1, they might kick us off the listing. Number 2, they might be winning all the sales. Number of listings with Amazon as the seller. I don't like to compete with Amazon, so I don't want to be selling brands that Amazon is already dominating those listings. Average product weight, we want lighter products, and then I'll run that search. So just from that, which I always kind of do different filters depending on what I'm looking for, but right there we have about 1,200 brands that we can start looking through and reaching out to. Now by doing this model, let me show you a brand that I was able to open up a wholesale account with. And then how I was able to use the ProfitGuru Chrome extension to show me exactly what to purchase. So the brands tab led me to this brand called Cellabakes or CK Products. But the problem is wholesale brands and distributors, they have catalogs this big and maybe only this much of it is actually profitable on Amazon. So it takes a long time to look through all of the different products they have and then cross-reference and see if it's profitable on Amazon. So instead, I'm going to go into Amazon and do some reverse searching. I know that I have access to this brand, so I'm going to search the brand into Amazon. So now what I'm doing, now that I put in the brand, is I'm trying to look for the products that look like they're going for a high price and I can probably get it for much cheaper. So I found this sanding sugar that looks like it's a really good seller. Now what I'll do is see what price I can get it for with my wholesale account. So here it is right there. And in order to see the prices with this specific brand, you do have to be logged in. All right, so now I can see I can get the same sugar for $2.83. So now I'm going to throw that into my profit calculator right here on the extension. The going price right now is almost $13. And now I can see every time one sells, I will profit approximately $3.41. So that's good. That's easy money. This is something that's so easy to prep. All I'm going to do, list in my inventory, print off the FN SKU, and slap it on the bag over the original barcode. But where this gets really powerful with using our Chrome extension is I'm going to use this one product to find several more. So how I do that is I come down here and I look at the offers. I'm going to take these sellers, since they're selling the same brand that I am, they probably have that wholesale account too. And they're probably selling other products that are profitable from this brand. So I'm going to just click into all of them one at a time and start that rabbit trail. So now, rather than going through their entire website and looking at each product one at a time, I'm finding the ones that the sellers have already found to be profitable. And then once I check all of that sellers, then I go on to the next. Now, how this is also helpful for you is you're going to see new brands that you can then reach out to next. So I know this seller has the same wholesale account as me with the CK products, and now I can also see that they're selling other brands too, that I can go and reach out to those brands to see if I can also open up accounts. So having access to this brand data right here, I can jump into it. I can see all of the products that brand is selling, all of the sellers selling those products, and I can storefront stock them. This is something that we did not have the capability to do with SellerAmp, and why we decided to build it ourselves. Because this is one of the main ways that we are able to run our business and find brands to work with and find products to sell. And you can't get this with SellerAmp, and that's why I don't use SellerAmp anymore. I don't need it. So let's come right here to the brand name, and you can see now all of the brand information pops right up. I have access to their website. I can call them to open up that account. I can see all of the sellers selling their products, so I can storefront stock every single one of them to see which products are profitable from that brand. I can come right here to view all of the products that this brand has. The opportunities are just endless. And once you open up that storefront stalker for every single seller of just this one brand, I'm going to be able to find so many other brands to now reach out to. It really is a never-ending cycle to have an unlimited amount of sellers to storefront stock and unlimited amount of brands that you keep finding to reach out to. If you're using our Chrome extension in this way every single day, your business is going to grow exponentially. Let's check out this one here, molds and things. So now this seller, I know they're selling a brand that I also sell. I can look and see every single other brand that they're selling. All of these are my leads that I can reach out to. I can see they have almost 4,000 products, and I can open up the stalker and start looking at them. Here's a new brand idea now. Here's a Techo, Life of the Party. And I will stop for a second and just say that I don't mean to target any storefront by showcasing them in the videos. What we do here on this channel is we love to teach people how to make money on Amazon and how to do this. And the only way to do that is through modeling and showing exactly how we do it. So I know some people might get upset and say, you're showcasing other people's storefronts, that could be bad for them. And while I understand that it is unfortunate if I'm showcasing your storefront on here, it's definitely not with any ill intent, and it's solely for the purpose to try and help you guys so that you can see the model and the processes that I do, so then you're able to do them yourselves. So there's definitely not any malicious meaning when I'm bringing up storefronts, and I hope that it doesn't upset anybody. So now these brands that I'm seeing here, I'm gonna do the same thing with. I can type that into the brands calculator. I can have all of the sellers come up, all of the brand information, all of the brand products, and I think you get the idea. This just leads from one lead to the next, one rabbit trail to the next, and it really is a cycle that is wash, rinse, repeat. If you're doing this every single day, I can guarantee you that your business is going to grow. You're going to find new brands to sell. You're going to easily be able to locate the profitable products by storefront stocking others. It's just amazing. This is exactly what we wanted as sellers, and we're happy that we were able to build it and now share it with you guys so you can also profit from it. And of course, having access to that Keepa data is really important when you're trying to make the decision of if this is a good product or not, what's the rank doing, what's the buy box doing, and we can still see that right here with our extension. All I did was click on the chart from the extension, and now it pops me into ProfitGuru, and I can see all of that good historical data. Everything that you need to run research on any listing, plus more, having access to everything to do with that brand, with all of the sellers, with storefront stocking them, it's all right here in this extension. So I think you can see why I don't use SellerAmp anymore. Not because I didn't like it, but because I liked it so much that we built something ourselves that can do the same capabilities plus more. So if you have not tried it yet, you are definitely missing out. Your business growth is missing out, and you need to give it a try. Because once you play with it, it is so easy to use, and like I've been saying, it is an endless amount of leads on repeat. So I hope this video was really helpful for you guys, and you can see exactly how we are using it every single day to find new brands, new sellers, and new products that we can incorporate into our business to keep building. But that's how you learn. You have to start playing with it. So if you do exactly what I just showed you, you are going to be amazed at all of the different potential leads you can find. If you haven't used it yet, you are definitely missing out. Give it a try. You are not going to regret it. But if you have tried it out, I would love to know down below what you think about it and exactly how you are using it. If you're doing the same type of thing that I'm doing, or if you have your own method. I'm always curious what you guys think and exactly how you're doing your research. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you got a lot of value from it. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video.